Today this video is going to show you how to hot. Know if your partner is hot, following you or using your account, and even if somebody has had your account, and if somebody is using your account and if the person is active now. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like the video, you comment at the comment section, and you share this video to others so that others have access to this video and this channel also. So we'll go and watch the video on how to hot get to know the info on your Facebook account. So this is the video. Please make sure you like this video and share this video also, and you subscribe to this channel. So if you are holding your Android phone like this or your iPhone, all you need is just to open your Facebook. You open your Facebook and you see those three. Let's say you wait to your Facebook hot eat content. After it has hot loaded content, you see those three lines at the top right corner. You just click on it. After clicking on it, you see a lot of options here. This option, don't bother about this option, just scroll down. Just scroll down once again. Then you click on hot settings. When you click on settings, you see what a lot of options your account present. Personal information, your translation for post, your font size, ask payment, orders and payment, Facebook live update, security and login, location, apps and website, business and service. All you need is just to click on security and login. I repeat it once again, security and login. Security, just on security and login, you click on security and login. When you click on security and login, you wait it loads its content. So you see it as load. You can see where you are logged in, your change password, save your login info, use two-factor authentication, get alerts about unrecognized logins. So you just click on where you see those where you are logged in. You see those see more. You click on see more. So you see it has opened. So this is where you get to know the number of phones you have used to log into this account and the one which is active and not. And if somebody is using your account, you can see the name of that phone, and if your partner is even following your account or using your account somewhere. If you want to know the name of your partner's phone name, you will see the phone name here, so that you get to know if somebody is following you. Even sometimes you don't even know, you are not even aware that someone is using your account. Even somebody had this account. All you just have to know is just memorize or just get the memory of the number of phones you have used to log into your account. So as you can see, I'm now using Technopop 2F, so it is active now. I've only used Technopop 2F to log into this account. So as you can see only for Technopop 2F. So Technopop 2F. So this means that nobody is following my account. Maybe yours might be different. If someone is following your account and you want to log the account from that that phone, all you need is just to click on that three dots at the right side. You click on it, then wait till it load. Make sure you have liked this video, subscribe, you share this video too. The network is somehow slow, sorry for that. The phone is refusing to open that option, but if you are using your phone, you want to log out from other phones that have access to your account, so you just click on those three dots at the right side. So whenever you click on it, you just see what log out. So when you see log out, all you need is just to click on log out. But please, if there is no phone that have access to your account, please don't click on log out. Otherwise, your own Facebook account will just log out from your phone that you are using. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment at the comment section. You like this video too. You subscribe to our channel because we are going to bring you an exciting videos on this channel, and you also share this video and this channel to others so that they will have access to this channel. Thank you.